G'day, Sai here. Welcome to day 6 of my 1 minute 1 story series. As you can see, I'm still in the garage. It's been 5 days since I get to Wales and I've been kind of stuck. Update what's going on. First, I wanted to thank you, Luke from LF, sending me the clutch kit. He even FedEx Express to me so I can get it on hand sooner. West Wales defender Chris and David. I know without them I'll be still stuck somewhere. Unfortunately, they don't have a lift heavy enough to raise my car, so they couldn't do the job. But they've been super helpful. They've been calling, helping me arrange a different workshop to do this, and even organize a tow truck for me. They even pay for the tow truck for me. Yeah, I just cannot thank you enough. Thank you so much. And yeah, they helped me find where I am now, Paul Mac 4x4. Again, I have to thank you so many people, but Morgan and Ian, they run the shop here and they have many cars here, but take me in such a short notice. So this morning they had crack on already. The car's running, new clutches in, new master cylinder has been changed. But while we at it, I also spot there's some oil leaks, so I asked them to take a look also. I have seen these oil leaks before I started the trip to Scotland, but it seems like it get worse. I took a look today and it looks like it's the turbo oil return pipe. That kind of reminds me of something that happened before. I had the gasket change in Kazakhstan first time, second time in Bulgaria. It seems like could be potentially the issue. They have helped me to order the parts, but that's not it. There's also a little bit of coolant leak. I also spot that before I start the trip to Scotland, but I kind of just keep an eye on it. They run the pressure test, no leaking, but it's kind of still in my mind. I was thinking this is the place to get everything fixed. I didn't really budget for this, but you just have to deal with it. Now we're looking at maybe is the EGR cooler. Wow, that it will probably have to change the EGR too. Now I had changed the EGR before I start the trip, but this is kind of like it's a 50-50 thing. You never know when it's going to give. Now I'm thinking maybe I will change at the same time. And then my tire is pretty worn. Yeah, quite a bit. But anyway, I think it is what it is, and I'm just thankful that I'm here. I have all the help that I need. Hopefully I will get back on the road tomorrow. Actually, I will start heading to Devon, meeting some friends down there. Looks like we'll have to come back to Wales at some other time. But anyway, I hope you have a great day. Yeah, talk to you tomorrow. Don't forget to be kind to other people and be kind to yourself. Take care.